Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a pool deck cleaning today, cleaning, sanding, and sealing. Let me walk you back and show you what we got going on. Okay, so here's our pool deck here. These are really nice paver blocks. It's not too old. I think they said they had these installed, I want to say 6 to 8 months ago. These are going to come up real nice. I love the infinity screen there. There's no bars along this at all. We got a hot tub here. We have to work around that. And then we have outside uncovered patio area. So yeah, these are going to come up really nice. Very pretty stones. Alright, so that's our project here this morning. We'll get everything cleaned and prepped today, and we'll come back in the morning and put some sand and sealer down. They're going to go with pearl sand on this, which I think is a pretty good choice. Alright, well, let's get moving. Okay, so we're all done with our 3-step cleaning process. We treated for efflorescence, we did organic cleaner and a neutralizer. All right, good morning everybody. We are back at our sealing job here this morning. Let me walk you back and show you what it looks like. Still a little damp right through here, but that'll dry off. And then the outside part. So we're putting, laying down pearl sand in here today. And then Cat 5 will do a D2 solution on this. It'll come out really nice. Alright, let's get moving before it gets too hot. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. I'll take you back and show you how it turned out. Oh yeah, looks absolutely beautiful. That color enhancement. Get that pearl sand in there. Yeah, very nice. And over on this side. Alright, this is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. These are the kind of results you're looking for in your driveways, patios, decks. Give us a call. You can reach us at 813-853-3557 or our website www.supremetapabay.com. Alright, we will see you at the next job.